Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I am going to be explaining about the Practice GM section within the project's application in KEBS. Once the user has navigated to the project's application, he or she can click on any project in the landing page in order to move to the overview page of the same, where the user can navigate to the Practice GM tab of the same, where the user will be displayed with the various practices that are present within the particular organization. So there are two types of MIS that are run within an organization. One is based upon the various practices within an organization, and the other is the actual MIS that is followed. Here, the user can add various practices by simply clicking on the list of practices that are available and assign a task owner for the same, and mention the percentage of revenue based upon the total revenue value that can be displayed here. This can be useful for the compute and basis team of the organization. These details are auto-calculated based upon the revenue percentage that is displayed, and the cost value for the same can also be mentioned. Once these are entered, the user can submit the same once all the mandatory fields are filled. Once done, the splitup is submitted successfully and the practice MIS is run, and the details of the same can be viewed in the practice GM pivot table for the same. Here, the P&L head along with the APL name, the item name, and all the other details for the particular practice can be loaded, and the revenue can be filtered out based upon the cost and work done. Other things such as the view editing, the field chooser can also be accessed similar to that of all the pivot tables that are present within the application. The report of the same can also be downloaded. That is how the Practice GM works within the project's application in KEBS. Thank you for watching.